So it's June 10th, and a hen has finally shown up with some babies. Franny and Harry have not had any ducklings, but a hen showed up today with 6 ducklings. And they are full of, what does my sister say, piss and vinegar. They're getting in there, they're dealing with the adult ducks, and they're going after that bread. Yummy bread, yummy bread. You've been feeding us vegetation, Mom. We want bread. Whole grain, of course, so that they'll grow big and strong. And they're using my new garden as a feeding place. I love this duck right here, this hen. She's a dark, dark, dark chocolate brown. Of course she's chocolate, my favorite. Oops, sorry, I overshot. Here you go. There you go. And where are the babies? Oh, just so cool. So the nursery is open. Yeah, it's great to be here. Huh, guys? Look at you. Hopefully you'll survive, and a carp won't get you, pull you in, or a snapping turtle. We'll see how many Mama has left in a couple of weeks. But welcome to the neighborhood.